Welcome to the Visitor Management System. In this video, we'll guide you through the pre-register report section, where you can track all pre-scheduled visits, view their details, filter by date, and export them as needed. You can also change how many entries are displayed per page and navigate across multiple pages to find older records. Use the filter option to narrow your view based on date or employer. This is especially useful for reviewing specific days or staff visits. This report gives you a detailed list of pre-registered visitors, including visitor name and contact information, assigned employer, host, expected date and time of visit. This helps your front desk prepare for upcoming appointments efficiently. Need to keep a backup or share the report? Just click on Export to download the data in your preferred format. To quickly locate a visitor, use the search box. And that's how you use the pre-register report feature in VMS. With powerful filtering and export tools, it's easy to manage scheduled visitors with clarity and control.